Hey guys, this is Philip Morrow out of the Austin, Texas office, and I want to quickly show you a few of my favorite enhancements to simulation in SOLIDWORKS 2020, starting off with the user interface, which is going to make less clicks and faster access across the board. Now, if you've ever worked in a large simulation tree with a whole lot of folders, you can simply click on the top of the tree and use Shift+C to collapse, just like any SOLIDWORKS file. But make sure you right-click that tree and get into the Simulation Evaluator, which is a one-stop shop to review everything in your study setup. Here I've got a problem with results, but in 2020 I can actually browse to and reconnect results to those SOLIDWORKS files even if they've moved around somewhere on my computer or across my network. No need to worry about database not found, and after validating those results I can review my entire setup, including comparing part volume to mesh volume to ensure I've got consistent results. And something that's actually saving me a lot of time, simply the ability to right-click and delete a study tab without having to load that study tab or its results, so the job is done instantly. Of course, there's a lot more power when we get down under the hood, especially power that's going to affect results coming out of simulation. The first thing comes from the mesh. It's need to use appropriate mesh element types to get good solve times. 2020 actually gives us the ability to choose between a draft and high quality mesh on a per part or per body basis. So we can run larger simulations in shorter amounts of time, but ensure we're getting high quality results where we need them. Another tool I'm using here is a distributed connection type available in bolt and pin connectors. This connection type is a fundamental change to how the bolt connector is attached to the mesh. The result of this is the elimination of stress hotspots or singularities around these bolt connectors. Now you're not going to have to explain away why red doesn't need to be scary around a bolt connector in a design review. Let me show you another example here. I've set this up 3 different ways, but in the bottom right you're seeing a stress plot of SOLIDWORKS 2020's distributed connection type on a foundation bolt. Notice how there are no stress hotspots or red singularities. We're getting a much more real-world stress distribution. Simulations in SOLIDWORKS 2020 are more powerful and easier to use.